Hi everyone, welcome to Solve Pages YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about how to change the default path of data file and log file. So if you can remember, this is where you have configured the default path of data file and log file path during the installation. So if you want to change this path, or if you have configured the wrong path, if you want to change it right now after the installation, where you have to go and change this one. So go to the server properties, database settings. So this is the default path of data file and log file, and also you can see the backup file path. So if you want to change it, you can directly change here. So this is the default path of data file. Here I have created a folder called data2. Just copy this path and replace here. If you want to change the log file path also, you can go here. Here I have already created a folder log2. I'm just replacing the path here. I just clicked on OK. Refresh it. Go and check again. So it didn't change. Why? Because it need a restart to reflect these changes. To change the path of data file and log file path, after that you have to do a restart. So make sure that it is a downtime activity. You need approvals and all. Without an approvals, you cannot change this path. So whatever the activities that you're doing, if that activity need a restart, then you need approval from your DM, that is a delivery manager. So I'm restarting the services. Now you can go and check the path here. See, it has been changed. Just create the database. So I'm just creating a new database to see the default path has been changed or not. T3. See, the default path has been changed. So you can also change the path from registry settings. Go to the regedit. HK local machine, software, Microsoft SQL Server. I want to change to node 1. So node 1 MS SQL Server. Here you can see default path of data file and default path of log file. You can also change here also. After changing this, you have to restart the services. So this is how you can change the data file path and log file path. Make sure that it need a restart and it is a downtime activity. Thanks for watching.